When you launch the Arduino executable, it automatically provides you with an empty sketch, using the date in the file name. As you can see here, my sketch is sketch_MAR for March, 10 for 10th, A for the first program that I've created today. In the menu bar, we have several options: File, Edit, Sketch, Tools, and Help. Let's quickly explore each option. File. In the File menu, you can create a new sketch, open an existing sketch, choose from programs saved in your sketchbook, open examples, close a sketch, save a sketch, and save a sketch with a different name. These are the ones that we will be using in this course. Under Edit, you can cut, copy, and paste. In the Tools menu, we will look at the serial monitor, the board, and the serial port. Finally, the Help option. The Help option redirects you to the Arduino.cc website. When you download the Arduino IDE, it includes a series of sketches or programs that can be used as a starting point for learning more about programming your Arduino. These sketches are accessible from the File menu under the category Examples. As you can see, there are numerous examples that come with the IDE. Let's open an example. Let's go to the Blink example. If I go to Examples, Basics, Blink. The Blink example turns on an LED, a light-emitting diode, waits, turns it off again, and then repeats indefinitely. The sketch opens in your IDE workspace. You might want to resize the window so you can easily read all the comments. All of the example sketches contain comments to provide a description of the sketch. In this case, it turns an LED on for 1 second, then off for 1 second, repeatedly. Think of a sketch as instructions that you provide to the Arduino brain, aka the CPU, to perform a task. A sketch is a series of commands or instructions that you write and save in a file that can be used by the microprocessor. The CPU starts by finding the setup method and executing the commands within. Understand that the commands in the setup method are only executed once at the start of each program execution. After the setup method is finished, the CPU looks for the loop method. This time, the CPU is set to continually execute the statement or statements or code included here. On a more technical note, a sketch is also referred to as the source code. In order for the CPU to read and understand the instructions, it must be converted to machine language. In this course, I will use the terms sketch, program, and source code interchangeably. Click on the check mark in the upper left-hand corner. You should see a message in the bottom portion of the screen that says Compiling. When it is done, you will see Done Compiling and a message that describes the size of the sketch, such as binary sketch size, 1084 bytes, of a 32/256 byte maximum. Since the microprocessor is limited in memory and size, you need to make sure your sketch does not exceed the limit of your board. It is a good practice to verify your code. This finds any problems with the syntax of your sketch. But before we can do anything with the Arduino board, we need to make sure it's plugged into the USB port on the computer.